Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 4,520. So we expected crude oil to stay in selling, maintaining 4,576 as top. Right after the opening, the price consolidated for a very long time, and in the evening session after 6 o'clock the price tried to clear 4,560s, went up till 4,627 and closed near 4,618. So completely the price stayed in buying, but what that happened in the later session, but it's quite understandable. After a very big drop, the market had shown some correction and retracement. So what we can do today the price is expected to open somewhere near 4,600. So wait for the price to go near 4,660s or 50s, and then go for selling till 4,720 by placing stop loss near 4,730s. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.